Hey guys, we're in northern Argentina in an area called Humahuaca. We're visiting Maria's family and this is a UNESCO Heritage Site, so we want to show you what this place has to offer.
We started at the main square where all the action happens. You see street vendors, a lot of tourists and basically a lot of people running errands and stuff. So behind me is the City Hall, which is a very beautiful building, and at 12 p.m. every day there's El Santo, the saint, that comes out and greets everyone. We're now walking the pebbled stairs towards the Monument of Independence, and it's the icon of Humahuaca. Don't forget to take a picture here. If you fancy some shopping, which I'm sure you will because there's so many beautiful things here, don't miss out this place called Manos Andinas. It's fair trade and they use very high quality materials such as llama wool, and I couldn't resist buying something, so I got this sweater. It's very simple, but it's made of llama wool, so it's super warm and it's about $30 US, which I think is fair considering the materials and the fact that it's handmade. What are you getting?
So, today we're going to do our first half-day trip to a place called Hornocal. I'm not sure how much it's going to cost, so let's go and see. So we just got a car and it's 1,200 pesos to get to Hornocal and back, and we have a nice driver here and we've got 4 people to fit in the car, so let's go. Absolutely struggling with the altitude. I just run and I can barely speak, as you can see. Really running out of breath. It's to help me with the altitude sickness.
Medicina natural.
Medicina natural. Here is Ignacio himself. Details of our driver in the description box, so you can also enjoy it the same way as we did. We made a short trip out of Humahuaca to Peñas Blanca, which is the white hill. I'm going to start climbing and see what it looks like. I'm here with my mom. Hello. Hello. My dad was born here in Humahuaca, and so we have a lot of family and relatives and friends, so it's so lovely to be back. Today is a very special day because we are celebrating Pachamama. Pachamama means Mother Earth. The first thing that we're going to do is dig a hole here on the ground, and this is where we're going to put all the offerings, the food, the coca leaves, alcohol, basically everything that we want to give Mother Earth as a thank you for all the blessings. We burn this incense and we take it all around the house to get rid of bad vibes. They also do it in between the legs. I wonder what that's for.
Así, hay que hacer así. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, and we'll see you on the next one.